and gentlemen, boys and girls, right now you didn't know it's a new vlog. It's a new night. When you normally see vlogging start a night, a day, well a night now. The man, me pull up in the car and watch a walk go on. Game. The man have a TV in here.
$500 upon a game.
We're there in the Bronx. We have pick up nice right now. We're both to touch the city. So only just a journey with it. Clippers gone home. Oh God. Big!
You have to call the people them knowing that.
When people owe people money, answer phone when people call on them. So ladies and gentlemen, the boy nice just forward, see nice there. We almost reached. We're on our way, but we stop on a little pit stop just for showing the vibes and showing the war. But a nice start to them. What's going on? Nice did I sleep and we wake up nice out time bed. Actually, at what time now? 12 o'clock? 12:30?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? 1 o'clock now. Oh yes, I go. You know what I mean? Let me show you what I go on out there. To the right, see the highway there. Go the right to the roadside.
So I'll be the tour guide right now.
Yes.
Right? So where you're looking at straight ahead.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Straight ahead, right? Over there is the other part of Manhattan. We're in Manhattan right now. We're on the West Side Highway.
Yeah.
Right? West Side Highway.
Yeah.
Right? So over there is probably Harlem or Grand Central.
What is that one you do down here, so?
Yo, you never seen them type of...
Yo, you don't know crocodile can jump up with the water and grab you there?
You never seen them type of freak accidents? Like, you don't care about none of
Yo,
that.
crocodile can jump up and grab you, you know? You know watch Discovery? Yeah, this one about freak accident. Why you would say freak in a man thing? The man die water and you come bring freakiness in a man business.
I watch 9/11.
Yeah, the view out here though, people.
We're on the highway.
Right now, because
This is one you talk about Kayo and seeing going back down there again. Again.
You have to worry about that one there, no? You have to worry about that. For real, you have to check the panel, man. See that?
So man, I'm ready for two. Be a rock the right here, so yo. Some little river rock. Yo man, catch them. Nice, say nothing near river rock. Yo, which one in there, right this one? So on the right this one. You see him? No, no see that we call him. See the next one there. Watch it. Watch them. One family of them. How them we can go into us? Yo, look how them people. See them there? Yo, they look at them now. Just pull up. As you can see. We're in. See man go out the door and fall back, watch out.
And I still sing the song now.
Yo.
Me and Rasta, me no can swim.
Yo, me know that hot. You grab a napkin quick for Wally because me know that hot.
If you hot?
You can't wait.
I think the wheel is down here. Somewhere.
One next pizza place there. I'm gonna make you know if you find it. Nice finding pepperoni. The one is different.
Let me get the barbecue.
Yo, the one let me try the one already, you know.
What is that over there?
What?
Bacon? Yeah. That's bacon?
Chicken bacon, you know?
What that?
Y'all don't got no chicken, no other chicken?
Bacon, chicken, or
Chicken. That's beef? How much hot dog?
Yeah, you want a hot dog, brother? I got some soda. You want a soda? Yeah. You got soda?
There one next door, cause the pizza store. What you say? What am I saying?
You want ketchup?
Yeah, we get a hot dog right now. Nicer order me a hot dog. We just pull up on a different spot. The pizza place when I go like a while. Me get a one pizza. Me smash it. It never three good. So I never know. But we're there though in the city.
You gotta feed everybody, right?
So we find one place right now. 24-hour bagel. We want to go see where them sell. You know what I mean? Yeah, go see what I'm going in there. Only for different bagel. So right about now,
Yeah, that never night.
so right about now, we just get a package, you know what I mean, from Amaya's Berry Collection. From the cities, we don't know if you ask. We don't know a candle, but what type of candle, we don't know. Them send me a care package from a special. Yes, it's all about the presentation. You don't know the package right, the package good. Yes.
Handmade with love.
Yes.
Let they see that again. Handmade with love.
Wholly for love. And when you don't know, when you walk me, you have a little confetti decoration. Type of candle. Oh, thank you so much, Famous, for allowing us to send you on. Cher and Saraya, big up on yourself, you know what I mean, two young CEOs. You know what I mean, come with a thank you note again, come with a business card, contact information, all of them nice something there. You know what I mean, and you always send a nice little booklet. It's a candle care sheet. It just tell you how to carry a candle, the first time user, but me experiment. I know experiment.
Yeah, it is experiment.
Me experience.
With the experience in the candle.
Yo, you know, say, my woman beg me one and me tell her so one come. A 3 day in your nice.
So nobody has not asked you third one. You say you have one? No, me want it.
You hide the vlog from you.
No, yo, by the time seems like me have a candle already.
Yo, me smell the one already. I swear to you, smell it. You need to open, just smell good. This is one thing real where make you feel so comfortable. I tell people to go buy because I know say it really, yo, this smells good. Oh my god. Pineapple. Yo, you can smell the pineapple, you know. Yo. Smell it.
Let me see.
Yo, your body, you know. Damn. Yo, that it smells sweet.
Yeah, it smells good. It smells good.
Pineapple, you know that.
You know me, somebody love my candle in a minute.
That. Bad.
Yeah, money bad.
Alright,
All that green. Alright.
Grapefruit and mint. Grapefruit and mint. Smell the one here too. Yo, me prefer the one here. Yo, the one here. Jesus! Dog, there's no way they're supposed to smell so good, dog.
Ain't nobody really like mint things.
Yo,
It's different. Me not bad at mint. I'm not really mess with mint things like that, but that one they're different.
Yo, me don't know how she get big.
No, I'm smelling like it. No.
It smells so real, dog. It smell real like the
That you like this, I go straight to sleep.
Yeah.
I'm going straight to sleep if I like that.
Yo, they want you bad. They want yo, pineapple. You see, at that I think, you know, when you find one and you see things at that are the bad one, you find some better blue. So
I wasn't gonna say blue anyways.
the red package already there. No, liquid. See what you like, yeah? They want to smell manly. It have a nice musk to it.
Yeah.
Lovely one, they must smell sweetie, but the one are like big people. The one that smell like rich house. The one that smell like rich house. Me not understand how she get them smells so like a fruit, you know? Amaya's Berry Collection, big up on yourself. I want to say thank you again. If you send me a nice little clear package in here, right? Me that go say clear package. When muscle watches muscle go laugh or muscle know what I want for clear package.
We're going for the clear package.
Yeah. So yeah, me I go show my woman them first and she go have first dibs and then me get nice second dibs and then me take the next one. Cause all of them smell good, so
yeah,
me don't really care which one me.
No matter.
You know what I mean? So
but I feel like I'm gonna end up with the blue one.
With the blue one?
I feel so.
You should not get none.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.